Hi, hi, hi. Ay! Hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. Ay. Happy Saturday. May hintayin tayong order today. Tinawagan na ako. Actually, ginising ako. Hello, baby. Hello, yan ang alarm clock ko. May alarm clock man. May alarm clock. I love you, Yancy. Yan ang alarm clock ko. Alarm clock. Yancy. Ayan. Kinigising niya ako. He keeps on waking me up. Without him, I'll be waking up super late. He's my Yancy boy. Yancy. I am grateful with my Yancy kasi he wakes me up and wala lang, he is always my alarm clock. So we're gonna get up now. Oh, I had a good sleep. I even forgot Sabado na pala ngayon, pero maaga tayo nagising, so I had a call. Tumawag na yung magde-deliver. We have a delivery today. Excited ako sa delivery. Papakita ko yung gagawin today. So, the delivery is between 11 to 4. 11 to 4. Kasi pwede malis ng bahay. We have to stay home 11 to 4. I hope they can come and deliver as soon as they can. Para maging productive ako. Okay. See you in a while. Happy Saturday. Sarap matulog eh. Hala. May nagbabantay. Sir, can I have 5 minutes? Can I have 5 minutes? Oh, there's another one waiting for mom. Breakfast na ba? Ayan na sila. They're waiting for mommy. Mana? Oh, sige na nga. Babangon na ako. Okay. You make me feel guilty, Yancy, ha? They're waiting for me. I have to feed them breakfast. Oh, lovely. Okay, mom is getting up now. Promise. Mana? Yeah, what do you want? Mana? You want to go outside? Huh? Baby girl, you want to go outside? Yeah. You excited? Oh, stretch na. Asan ang baby ko? Stretch na baby girl ko. Oh, I love you too. Ta-da! Hi! You ready to go outside? Yes! I love you too. You excited? Oh, who's gonna go outside? Who's gonna go outside? Stretch ka muna. Stretch. Uy! Wow. Ready? Are you ready? Mana? You ready? Yan. Paborito niya nang lumabas ngayon. Excited na siya. Oh, Mana girl. Sige, maglaro ka lang. Mana girl, sunbathing is done. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go na. Uy, Mana? Baby girl, sunbathing is done. Asan ka na? Baby girl, halika na. Let's go na. Thank you. Oh, talaga, sutil ka, ha? Hi. So, ganito kagulo ang aking dining area. Yeah. So, ayan, I asked my child to throw away the chairs. 4 yan. Kaya lang nga, binaha ako dito sa loob ng bahay. May kalawang na yan, and then nag-loose. So, ayan, nagda-dancing queen na ang table. Mamaya, papalitan ko na yan. So, this is the before. Mamaya ang after. Okay, we'll wait for the delivery. Alat ang bahay. And then, also, I have a delivery of vanity. I keep saying vanity fair, vanity mirror pala. So, this is where I get myself glam up. So, umorder din ako dyan. Papalitan ko yan mamaya. So, this is the before again. Yan. Siyempre, ganda-gandahan tayo. Kailangan maganda rin ang area ng ating pang-glamming. Oh, good morning. Oh, this is our Sabado, maglilinis tayo. Hindi pa ako nagtutupi ng higaan kasi nag-sunbathing pa si Mono Girl. Mamaya, maganda yan. You wait lang. Ganda ng weather. Weather lang. Oh, meron tayong delivery. Oli ko dito. Ano na naman ito? We'll see. Ano ba to? Tingnan natin. Ayan, dumating na ang aking hinihintay. Ayun na siya. Yay! It's only 3 o'clock. Yes. So, yay, Yancy! 2 o'clock pala, nandito na sila. So, tatanggalin nila. Ito, didisassemble muna nila yan. Yan. So, magiging okay na siya mamaya. Angie! The chairs. I only have 3 chairs. Inuuna nila yung chair ko. Asa na yung isa? O, diba? Nakakatuwa. That's the other one? Yeah. Oh, thank you. So we're gonna do the table first?
Yeah.
So we have space, right? Thank you. Ayan siya, tatlong chairs. First, the vanity or the table? Oh, that's the vanity goes here. Yeah, which one are we gonna do first?
Okay, let me see. Okay.
Because we have to disassemble the table first, right?
Yeah, which one is it?
Right there.
Right here?
So I hope we can start with the table first.
This one.
Yeah. That one. I thought they had the blanket before they put it upside down and then remove the legs. It won't fit. Thank you. Trabajo?
Yeah, you speak Spanish, I suppose.
Poquito? Poquito. I learned it from work.
From work?
Yeah.
Where do you learn?
My friends at work. I'm so excited for the table.
So what?
What? Oh, I work at the post office.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I got friends.
Oh, the post office.
Yes.
For the government.
Yes. It's still nice table, but it's kind of loose, you know. I don't know how to fix it, so.
Oh, this you know, is weak right now. It's all.
It's all, but I saw that in the. Oh, okay, you gotta go.
You get a new one.
Ah! The new one is smaller. Yes. Okay, thank you. Almost done. Nagtataka sila. Okay, yay. It's going to fit?
Yeah, it's going to fit.
Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. You see my TV, right? Those are vlogs. So I am vlogging my table. That's why. Got it? Sideways? Hala. You okay, amigo? Oh, I just And then you sideways. Oh. Kaya nila to. Thank you, guys. Yes. Oh, perfecto. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Okay.
My friend.
What's your friend? Ay, what's your name, amigo?
So what's the young name? Marcos.
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 How about you, my friend?
Tony.
Oh, hi, Tony.
Tony, hi.
Antonio, hello.
Hello.
Okay, so we're done with the table. So, we're gonna do the vanity? Okay, thank you. Ako na maglalagay nitong mga chair. Oh, it's all... Oh. Just over here. Oh, I thought you're gonna assemble. It's already done?
Yeah, it's already assembled.
You sure that's not from the store?
No, this is new. Everything is new.
Is it heavy?
Look, new. Everything. Box.
Okay, I just put this on top, right?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Oh my goodness, it's heavy. I need help.
So on the top.
Yeah.
Where exactly do you want?
Over there.
Right there.
Yeah, I'll just push the elephant. Is it good? Yeah. Ayan na siya.
Where?
I'll take care of it later. Just place it over here. Good?
Yeah, we got it.
Thank you. Oh, I got the bulbs, right? Okay. Do you know what? When did I get this? Last week, right? Already got a bill. A bill already. That was quick. I got the monthly bill already for it. Ang ganda. Naghihintay ang aking mga pusa. It's stable, right?
Yeah, it's stable.
Okay. Okay.
It's heavy. Okay, look. It's stable.
Thank you. Hi, cute. Sorry. You see that? You see what's on TV? That's what it is. That's vlogging. So. Oh. Oh, I have, what's that? What's this? Extra?
Yeah, extra mirror.
Oh.
Very nice.
Like a zooming your face? Okay. Wow. Ang bait nila. I have an outlet behind, huh? Nilalagay ng bulb. I have an outlet behind. Right there. Yes.
I mean, I saw it.
Thank you. Ay, sorry. I'll fix everything later. Just... Artista na ba?
It's gonna be very shiny, everything.
I hope I can see my pores there when I put my makeup on.
Your what?
My pores. It's a joke. It's a Filipino joke, right? When it's really, really bright, you see your face, your pores, whatever. So, yeah. Yan. Bait nila. Just want to make sure the lights are all working, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Ang tunggundo. I don't have a chair, right? No, no chair. No chair, right? Okay, gotcha. Put it there. I'll take care of it. Oh, this is my spare? Spare?
This is for you extra, okay?
Okay. Thank you. Put it there. I got it. I know you guys are busy.
Yeah, every day, man.
Yeah. Muchas gracias. Ay, ako na yun, oh.
We need another one to connect this.
Oh, yeah. I will fix it. Just make sure everything is connected. I'll just plug it in. I got it. But what is that for, though? That is for the lights. Okay, gotcha. Yes. I got it, guys. Yeah, I'll fix it. I don't have it. Just pull, you want to test it, right? Just pull that one, the white one.
I got it.
Yeah, that one. Thank you. Ay, ang init. Yay! Okay. Merry Christmas. Ang ganda. Thank you, Tony and Marcus. Do I need to sign anything? You have a paper there. You forgot. I've been waiting. What do I sign? Just I received it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye. Bye, Marcus. Bye, Tony. Ciao. Bye. Thank you. Yay. Ayun na siya. Mag-aayos na ako. Oh, my gulay. So, this is the challenge. Ayan na siya. Aayusin ko na lang. So, make sure gumagana ang ilaw. Yes, I like it. I like it. Just wanna show you. Ayan. Ang ganda, diba? So, mag-aayos na ako ngayon. Ayan ang mga aayusin ko. So, we'll fix everything for our before and after. Hala, pagod na ako. Hindi pa ako tapos. Pero yung dining table, natapos ko na. So, checkin natin. So, naset ko na siya. Ayan ang bagong dining table. At may nauna na. May nauna na sa dining table. Naninibago si Mono Girl. Mana, is it new to you? We have a smaller table now. Ayan si baby girl. Nanguna na si baby girl sa bago nating dining set. Medyo abot-abot na mamaya. Magdi-dinner kami ni Ash. So far, this is the after ng ating magulong dining table kanina. Happy! Mana! Hey! Is it new to you? Chipiching na yan. Naninibago si baby girl ko. But, so, ayan. I'm so tired. I'm not done with the vanity. So, this is the look. The look for Saturday. I have to finish the vanity. Duling na ako. Napapagod na ako. So, we're gonna do it. I showed you the before. Yung after, malapit na ako matapos. Hi, hi, hi! Ay! Nalaglag. Ano oras na? It's almost 5:30. Hilong-hilo na ako. So, finally, natapos ko na yung setup ng vanity mirror. Yay! I'm so happy. Iisa na lang ang lalagyanan ko. As in, super organized. So, pinakita ko yung before and after. So, now, since natapos na ako, ay, grabe, pagod ako. Natapos na ako, ipapakita ko na sa inyo. I'm gonna show you what I did and how I did it. Somehow, I decluttered. Ayun yung mga basura. Ichuchapon ko, mimiye. Tatapon natin mamaya. At ang init. So, I'm supposed to have a massage today. Gusto ko magpa-massage. But it's almost late, pero maaraw. So, we'll see. I'm just happy today's Saturday. I was able to do what I wanted to do on a Saturday. Although I'm doing the laundry. Naglo-laundry pa rin ako, guys. Kaya, eto na siya. Ayan na. Tada! Ching, ching, ching! Yay! Dati nandyan siya. Yung mga makeup, you know. So, nilipat ko yung altar ko doon. That's my altar, my bed. So, ipapakita ko na ang, ano ba tawag dito? Vanity Fair, vanity mirror. How do you call this? So, ayan. Ito na siya. Yay! So, ay, maaraw. So, ito na ang feature niya. O, di ba, bonggang-bongga tayo sa ating pailaw. Asan bang ilaw? Ah, ito. So, i-on natin. Tada! Palakas. Ayan. Kitang-kita ang pores mo dyan. Ihina lang natin. Tada! So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bulbs. 14. Ay, mahina ang ilaw. Dagdagan natin. Ayan. Brighter, the better. So, ang ginawa ko, you know, everything is, how many drawers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wala na pang 6. So, yan ang drawers. Same chair. Oh, meron tayong biogesic pang sakit ng ulo. So, eto na. Ay. So, ayan yung mga, alam mo na, walang kamatayang mga lipstick. Lahat ng gusto mo. Ayan ang aking mga accessible lip, anong tawag? Lip conditioner? Balm, lip balm. Ayan, ang ating mga pang face lock, pang regimen natin. Yung mga brushes, ang makeup. Ay, ang dami. Mga ipit, clips, and of course, yung mga stocks ko. Kung ano mang meron akong kailangan ko. Oh! Galing ha. Tapos, oh, you know what? This is amazing. I'll show you. Meron siyang, pailaw si Mayor. Ayan, diba? May pailaw si Mayor. Galing. So, pailaw siya. Ayan, paiba-ibang ilaw. Oh, tapos, andyan ang ating mga jewelry, suklay, mga kinesis. Ayan. O, diba? Ang happy. Nakaka-happy! Yay! Yay talaga. This was my project on a Saturday. Kaya I can't wait to have Saturday day. So, ayan. So, ayan. Ang aking productive Saturday. Tada! Ayan ang aking ano tawag dyan? Vanity Fair, vanity mirror. Paki-comment kung ano yun. Tapos, yung ating, sinabi ko na nga kanina, kailang tinanggal ko yung bulaklak. So, ang ating dining set na inayos ko din. So, nakaka-happy. Kaya, bye for now. Please, like, share, and subscribe my vlog, Arnie R. Smith. Happy Saturday, and papamassage ako. Ta-ta!